Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. This is our second video review for the comparison of the Allen Watch Tetra S5 versus the C30 Pro. On our previous video, we compared the design, the specs, and the UI. On this video, we are going to compare the offered menus and features. Again, this is the Allen Watch Tetra S5 versus the C30 Pro smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding the video review, drop a comment below. And of course, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and have a comparison review of the menus and features of the Allen Watch Tetra S5 compared with the C30 Pro. Let's have first the UI. So we have notifications here, and as you can see, we do have a transparent effect. We have options and settings. On the bottom part, we have notifications. We have here a dashboard for the common applications. I think it is also the same with the left side here. Okay, here for the Allen Watch Tetra S5, we have the split screen. On the right side, we have a widgets. Okay, then for the bottom part here, we have notifications. Then to access the main menu, just press the power button. Both do have a sports functions here. Where's the sports? But more sports functions for our Tetra S5 compared with the C30 Pro. I think the C30 Pro only have at least 9 sports. For the Tetra S5, I think we do have more than 20 or 23 sports functions. Okay, not that much, but much better compared to the C30 Pro. We have the heart rate monitoring. We have the blood oxygen here. We have a blood pressure here, and here on the Allen Watch Tetra S5, we don't have it here. But so far, I think the blood pressure is just useless feature. We have the music control function. Both do have a sleep monitoring and weather report. We have breathing guide. We have a calculator here. I think we also have here a calculator, as you can see. For the toolbox, yes, we have a stopwatch also, a timer, remote control for photos. We have a flashlight here, but this one, it is a screen flashlight. Unlike this one, we have a physical or built-in LED flashlight. Remote shutter. We have a calendar also. Let's see. Let's compare the calendar. Okay. We almost have the same design. We have a compass here. We don't have it here. For the social apps here, so these are just notifications. It is also supported here on it is also supported here on the Tetra S5. We have drink water reminder. For the settings, let's see. Okay, going back. So these are the settings here. It's not categorized, as you can see, it's already in the main menu. But here on the Tetra S5, it's categorized in the settings menu, or it is included in the settings menu. Okay, much better UI for the Allen Watch Tetra S5 compared to our C30 Pro. When it comes to the settings, they almost have the same options. Okay. Again, here are the features. So more features here for our Allen Watch Tetra S5. Again, both do have a support for the Bluetooth call and push notifications. Both do have health functions such as heart rate and blood oxygen monitoring, and of course the different tools. Okay, so that's it for our comparison review of the menus and features of the C30 Pro compared with our Allen Watch Tetra S5. So which do you think is better in terms of the features? For the comparison of specs, design, check out our previous video. Again, if you like or if this video is useful, you find it useful, like, share, and subscribe.